Hi, Supriya. This is Vaishali Kulkarni More, Pinkathon Ambassador from Vizag. How are you?
Hi, Vishali. I'm very well. Thank you so much.
It's been such a beautiful ride to Arco Valley today. This chat with you over breakfast and witnessing the beautiful sunshine through these lush green mountains makes it more wonderful. I'm going to ask you a few questions for the podcast of our Pinkathon newsletter. So here we go.
Okay.
Before the lockdown, we finished our Coromandel to Konkan coast ride spanning over 23 days and 3,300 kilometers. This ride was dedicated to you, a cancer conqueror, by me. Please tell us more about this medical journey of yours.
Okay, Vaishali. In September 2017, when we were posted in Mumbai, one day while taking a shower, I felt a lump in my right breast.
Mm-hmm.
I immediately went for a checkup and was detected with stage 2 breast cancer. So initially, my reaction was of total disbelief. But
Hmm.
I regained my strength and went head on into the treatment immediately. So, my sports background had trained me well enough to take up the challenges in my stride. In October 2017, I had my first surgery, followed by a
Mm-hmm.
second surgery in November 2017.
Okay.
So, I am still on quarterly administrated injections as part of my treatment since last 3 years now. So,
Okay.
staying fit has helped me fight cancer better, I must say.
Of course. I've been a witness to this spirit of yours through all my interactions with you. I'm glad I made you register for the Republic Day to Independence Day challenge by Pinkathon just before our ride.
Yes,
It was so much fun to do our walks, runs, post those 12 and 14 hours of riding in a new city every day.
yes,
It took,
absolutely.
and it took away all the fatigue of the ride.
That's true.
So, talking of this challenge, throw us some light on your association with Pinkathon, please.
Yeah, sure. During my second surgery in November 2017, I had heard of Mumbai Pinkathon through a friend of mine, and I
Hmm.
signed up for it in December.
Wow.
It was in December 2017. Within the month after my surgery, I ran for 3 kilometers non-stop. So
Wow.
my husband, my best friend Suchitra, and my mother ran the distance with me in support. So at the end of 3 kilometers, I was totally exhausted, but still
I
felt
can,
like a winner.
I can
On
imagine.
Yeah, and I completed it successfully. So
Okay.
then, when we got transferred to Vizag, I was keen to start motorbiking and was looking for a Pinkathon ambassadors and women bikers to connect with.
Okay.
So out popped your name on Google search
Mhm.
as a perfect combo, ambassador plus biker. And that's how I became the part of Pinkerton Saturday training. Pinkerton Day 2.0, the Vizag going pink. It's press meeting the traditional run where I could meet Milan Suman, ran with him on the beach and got 2 selfies on 2 days. Double the marker.
Oh, yes. You totally earned those selfies after the push ups, I must say. Supriya, I know you regularly play tennis, go for your 6 kilometer walk, run daily. You do 1 hour of yoga, right?
I tried to.
Yeah, so you are happy doing all this. But what is it about motorbiking that takes this happiness to a different level altogether? I wish to know.
Vaishali, as you know, Valentino Rossi says riding a bike is like an art, something you
Hmm,
do because you feel something inside. So
I agree.
I remember you had said me once that one never come back as the same person after the ride. So now I know what you had meant that time. So
Thanks.
I am now introduced to a whole new dimensions of life. Motorbiking has liberated me, made me feel more confident, and has helped me embrace the unknown with a pure heart. I remain fit so that I can ride better, farther, and as long as I shall live.
Oh, absolutely. Fit women for fit families, as they say, always and forever.
Yeah.
So, as a Pinkathon ambassador and a solo motorbiker myself, I have always associated my rides to spreading cancer awareness. This time, during our ride, you two got an opportunity to interact with many people.
Yes.
Any particular incidents that has remained with you?
Yes, sure, there is. In fact, there are two incidences.
Mm-hmm.
First was during our visit to HCG Hospital, Ongole.
Mm-hmm.
There was one patient, lady patient, who started crying and kept saying she was too scared to die. But
Ah,
after we spoke to her for some time, she was smiling. She blessed me and thanked me for giving her hopes and positivity. She felt that if I can survive cancer and ride today like a strong woman, then she can do too. So giving hope to someone else through my example was a life changing experience for me too.
I agree. I agree. And which is the
and,
second one?
and the second one was during our visit to Vivekanand Girls College, Kanyakumari, and we had an awareness session with 200 girls, and
I
it was
remember.
an enriching one. It was also interesting to see you demonstrate how to do push-up, squats, and hold a plank for a daily fitness regime at home.
I remember this well. I know. Pinkathon gets you ready for these kind of things anytime you have to demonstrate. So, Supriya, before we head back home on our bikes, what life lessons would you like to share with our listeners?
Actually, there are few things which I wanted to share. Those are like fitness is an integral part of your life. Don't
Hmm.
neglect your health. That's the most important thing. Be consistent and don't be guilty to spend time on your wellness at all.
Right.
And the second one is you have to stay positive always. This can help
Hmm.
you deal with the challenges in a better mind frame. And third one is acceptance is the key. It helps you to be patient, thoughtful, and kind. Fourth
Right.
is don't postpone the things that you wish to and you like to do. Do them now. And
Yes.
last but not the least, don't worry too much about the things that are not in your control. Let it be.
So rightly said. Any thoughts about Pinkathon Vizag group?
Yeah, I wanted to tell you about Pinkerton Vizag group. The whole group is so energetic. They are so positive. All the members are so welcoming and supportive. Jyotirmay has been very encouraging. And the camaraderie you all share is just so heartwarming and infectious. I love
Hmm.
participating in all the events with your group. The entire Pinkerton ambassador squad coming. They came to see. Do you remember they came to see us off on 26th of January when we were?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely. In full strength.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It was so heartwarming, and especially you, Vaishali. You have been an instrumental in being a true wind sister to me, and I look forward to meeting this group every day eagerly.
Thank you so much for these kind words, Supriya. I'm humbled. The feeling is mutual, you know that. You inspire me, my Shiro. So remember that, it is both ways, and that's why the friendship grows stronger. So, any parting thoughts about the newsletter Pinkathon at Home?
Um, Yeah, it was great initiative and this digital version has a huge reach with all the interesting stories and information. I think kudos to Milan Suman and his team and I wish it reaches greater heights. And thank you so much Vaishali for choosing me to share my journey with everyone and giving me this exclusive renowned women oriented platform.
Oh, it was a pleasure to have you on board, Supriya. Thank you for this wonderful and inspiring insight into your journey so far. See you again on our online training sessions, the Sunday bike rides, and Pinkathon 3.0.
Thank you
Stay
so much.
safe, stay fit, keep smiling, keep riding. Godspeed. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.